Alright, so we have Psi-Guy and aminimouse going head to head right now. It looks like first game we played on Battle here in the loser semifinal. Oh, nice solid combo there, that's how guy just getting the back air. Okay. Oh, we got. Sorry for that brief pause. We have pretty good lead by Psi-Guy. About I think a stock and a half or so now. Oh, two and a half stocks, I think. Ooh, Ness down smash. That's pretty good. After this game, depending on the outcome, we might see a score. Actually, I don't know. I think regardless of the outcome, there's a chance we could see a change in the world. I'm not quite sure though. But as far as Psi-Guy though, I don't think we're going to see a character change out of him. I think we're just going to see him go Ness this whole entire tournament, whether that's for the better or for the worse. Down air, that's good. Right time. Down air is full. I didn't know downward forward smash was a thing in this game before, but apparently it is. I like these combos that we're seeing out of the mini-mouse, so I'm trying to rack on them. I am being a small comeback by a mini-mouse. Because it's now only about a stock lead. Okay. So we do have, yeah, it's about stock lead now. Ooh. This is the L cancel on that down air. Disable capitalize. Aw, that's brutal. Misty from Psi-Guy gets stuck on her stage. It's not the first time he's gotten stuck on the battlefield of the tournament. Oh, okay. Up B from Ness beats Rory beautifully. And Psi-Guy's gonna take the first game.
The winner is...
Alright, where are we gonna get a counter pick? I'm thinking... I don't know, there's a lot of stages. I think we might see Fountain. Fountain or Norfair. Okay.
2, 1, go!
Oh. Okay. Not sure why they think they're confident. Yeah, I don't know. I guess maybe because Great Sword made both on the platform. But that's the best thing I can think of. Thought we were gonna maybe see down in media there. He's able to land forward smash. Minimouse definitely has some command injury right now. And that up B actually just brings Minimouse right back to stage. Okay, solid back throw. And side B to baseball bat also work. Also working. I forgot that you could also do kill conversion out of side B. I think you can do that in Smash 4 as well. This is an opportune time to punish there. Could have back aired, essentially. I think back air would be the most optimal punish, seeing as how good it is at a high percentage. But it doesn't matter, gets the back throw. No harm, no foul. Ooh, alright. I see what a bitty boss did there. Just made sure basically that he was facing the other direction in a way from Psi-Guy wouldn't have. Oh, nice string by Psi-Guy. So, I think we have a comeback on our hands. That guy has to be extremely careful, or else he's KO'd, which just happened. So, Minimouse is going to take game 2. I believe this set's best 3 out of 5. Counterpick the 3-1. This is gonna really help Ness. I agree 100% with this counterpick because this is gonna totally benefit Ness. Because Roy has really bad recovery on this stage, and Ness is gonna be able to utilize large blast zones and live for like 5 years. Ooh, angles the down or the up B down into Minimouse. Order? Not quite gonna do it. Oh yeah, okay, it will do it. I thought Roy's recovery was bad, I didn't think it was that bad. Get up. Still a very close game, I'd say. It's game 3 and look less than that, and I think a big reason why is because Ness has a lot of more potential to recover on this game than Roy does. You know, for every stock that Roy picks off, or Ness takes off Roy, it's going to be a lot easier for that to happen rather than Roy taking stock off of Ness. Ness can live, or Ness can live forever on this game. Punish for trying to do down smash. But they get to down smash. No. Forward smash not quite tall enough to get to those platforms. Marth might, but I think Roy's sword is a little too short for that. Back throw is enough to kill. Alright. So we have a solid, almost, about a 2-stack, or 1-stack lead by Ness. So Minimouse being stuck behind has to play defensive and ensure that all of his attacks connect and that he doesn't miss any of them. The moment that he misses one is a good opportunity for Psi-Guy to come in and do the punish. Alright. Oh! He would have made it back anyway. And Psi-Guy is going to get the game. Looks like we are probably... Yeah, this is 3 out of 5. There's a chance we'll see a game 5. Alright, got a counter pick. Green close from Roy. Really good stage for Roy. I like the counter pick. But I think that could also help Ness because Ness isn't going to get stuck under the stage. So it could also benefit the Psi-Guy. But Aminimouse had a very solid ledge guard game there, just made sure that we could not get back. Wow. Wow. This might be his middle death. That's 0 to death. Wow. Amazing combo by Minimouse. Oh, nice. Counters it. Meanwhile, clearly well equipped today. Knows how to get combos off of it, and knows exactly what position to get Psi-Guy in as well. We could be seeing a 4-star. We will not be seeing a 4-star. And Psi-Guy's comeback game is kind of strong, but this could be a pretty strong comeback goal for him if he did. Oh, that up smash is going to make this set count 2-2. And we're going to be seeing Game 5 for the second time today here at the Blizzard. They're starting to run out of stages to pick from. Okay, looks like last game of the set is going to be played on Filipino. Ness did have this counter pick, and I think it's a good counter pick for Ness. Because it's basically greenfield zone, but maybe it's bigger. Well, no, not maybe. It is bigger, and Psi-Guy has a lot more room to run around and do things that he can do. Ooh, Nesty by Aminimouse. Not huge SD, but enough to where it's gonna hurt him a little bit. It's like a taking advantage. Down smash? Oh, just enough to kill. So it looks like we could be seeing a very close game 5 here. That was a pretty well straightforward. Make sure, oh, just make sure that his sword is supposed to be before he's going to hit enough to where that hitbox is going to come out and do a little bit of damage. And it seems like Aminimouse is off been getting better at working his way out of the K-Fires, which is what Ness really needs in order to get those combos. Next, dash attack in the back air. Yeah, because if he can't get those DK fire setups, then it's going to be extremely hard for him to make sure that he can capitalize on the side. Oh, and Minimouse unfortunately able to get back. One stock behind here, 35. Still definitely has time to make this work. Stock is a huge deficit. Still definitely bringing it back. Kind of what it was on free health zone. I've had a bunch of close sets. Minimouse just trying to secure that last stock, and it's just getting harder as Psi-Guy is making sure to play defensively, use that extra stock to its advantage. Okay, good reaction by Minimouse to make sure that that neutral B landed. Oh, and unfortunately it's unable to get back to stage. Definitely very close bet out of these two, and a really good performance by Minimouse during Game 4.